All right, here we are in St. Mary, and the sea is super calm. Back on the coral reef, out here to the edge. And beautiful day. So looks like somebody brought maul in by the bucketful or maybe a wheelbarrow, and they brought it down here. So you can walk all the way to the edge of the sea now. And there's this big pool right here. Has all kinds of fish. There you have the tiger fish, the black and yellow stripe. You have the neons. Oh, I think it's called a yellow tang down there. These are the fish we put in our tanks in America, our saltwater fish that we pay a fortune for. Here we get to see them in their own habitat. So you see all this coral growing, these different plants down in there. And let's come back around here. We got a sea urchin up here to look at. He's moving along with his spindly, jaggedy thing so he can get back down to the sea. He just uses his little spikes to move along. At a very slow pace, but he's headed back to the sea, and you don't want to step on one of them. They're poisonous. So you just got to be mindful about where you walk. Look at the colors in the sea. They're purples and pinks and yellows and greens. And there's a new cook shop across the street now. So you get your food, walk down here, enjoy a beautiful view while you eat. When the tide rises again, all the fish will be set free.